Did you know Albert Einstein, the man whose name is synonymous with genius, didn't speak until the age of 3? He was born in the year 1879 in the quaint city of Ulm, Germany. Young Einstein's school years were far from smooth sailing. His teachers often misinterpreted his deep thoughtfulness for daydreaming, and his unconventional ways of learning for disobedience. However, his initial struggles in school couldn't veil his burning curiosity and passion for understanding the world around him. As a young boy, Einstein found solace in the world of advanced mathematics and physics, a realm where his inquisitive mind could roam free. This passion for learning was the first spark of the genius we've come to know him as today. His early life, marked more by questions than answers, serves as a timeless reminder. Traditional education doesn't always measure true genius. Einstein's extraordinary journey from a curious child to the pioneer of relativity began in the most ordinary of places, a classroom. In 1905, a paper was published that would lay the foundation for quantum theory. This paper was authored by none other than Albert Einstein, the physicist whose name would soon become a synonym for genius. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Einstein, with his insatiable curiosity and passion for learning, delved into the mysteries of light and its behavior. His paper on the photoelectric effect was a game changer. It proposed that light, rather than being a continuous wave, was made up of individual packets of energy, which he called quanta. This was a radical idea at the time, challenging the classical wave theory of light. Einstein's theory explained the photoelectric effect, a phenomenon where electrons are ejected from a material when it is exposed to light. This was something that the wave theory of light couldn't account for. Einstein's explanation was simple, yet profound. Light was both a particle and a wave, a concept that would become a cornerstone of the emerging field of quantum mechanics. Einstein's work on the photoelectric effect didn't go unnoticed. It earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. The committee praised his services to theoretical physics, and especially for his discovery of the law of the photoelectric effect. It was a well-deserved recognition for a man who had dared to challenge established theories and offer a new way of understanding the world around us. But Einstein was not one to rest on his laurels. The photoelectric effect was just one piece of the puzzle. Einstein was already working on ideas that would further revolutionize our understanding of the universe. His work on the photoelectric effect was just a prelude to his more far-reaching theories. Einstein's work on the photoelectric effect was just a prelude to his more far-reaching theories. It set the stage for what was to come, the theory of relativity, a concept that would forever change our perception of space, time, and gravity. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's appreciate the quantum leap that Einstein made, a leap that pushed the boundaries of physics and set the course for future generations of scientists. Imagine a world where time and space are not constant but relative. This was the world Einstein introduced us to. This is where we begin our journey into the realm of relativity and the subsequent fame it brought for Albert Einstein. Einstein's theory of relativity, first published in 1905 and then expanded upon in 1915, was a seismic shift in our understanding of the universe. He proposed that the laws of physics are the same for all non-accelerating observers, and that the speed of light in a vacuum was independent of the motion of all observers. This was the special theory of relativity, but he didn't stop there. 10 years later, Einstein revealed his general theory of relativity, suggesting that gravity is not a force, as Sir Isaac Newton had proposed, but rather a curvature in the fabric of space and time, created by mass and energy. This was a radical departure from the established understanding of the cosmos, a bold leap into uncharted territory. This revolutionary perspective on space, time, and gravity did more than just challenge long-held beliefs. It opened up a whole new world of possibilities, paving the way for new discoveries in physics, cosmology, and beyond. It was this audacious leap of intellect that propelled Einstein from the status of an accomplished physicist to an international superstar. His theory was confirmed during the solar eclipse of 1919, when starlight was observed bending around the sun, just as Einstein's theory predicted. This confirmation catapulted Einstein into the limelight, making him a household name synonymous with genius. At the heart of Einstein's theory of relativity is the famous equation EmC2. This equation encapsulates the profound relationship between energy, E, mass, m, and the speed of light, c. It tells us that mass and energy are interchangeable, that one can be transformed into the other. Einstein's famous equation, EmC2, became an emblem of scientific genius. It served as a testament to his extraordinary intellect and a symbol of the revolutionary ideas that have forever altered our understanding of the universe. Beyond the realm of physics, Einstein had a voice that resonated through the corridors of social justice. His genius did not confine itself to the equations and theories of the scientific world. It was a torch that illuminated the dark corners of society, casting light on issues of peace, civil rights, and social justice. Einstein was a staunch advocate for peace in a time of global unrest. He championed the cause of civil rights, standing up against the tide of racism that threatened to divide humanity. His opposition to militarism was unwavering, a strong voice of dissent in a world inching towards the precipice of war. Perhaps most poignant was Einstein's warning against the threat of nuclear weapons. His understanding of their destructive power, derived from his groundbreaking equation E=mc², led him to caution the world about the path it was treading. Einstein used his platform not just for physics, but to speak up for humanity. In 1955, the world lost a mind that had revolutionized it. Albert Einstein, the physicist whose name is a byword for genius, left us, but his legacy remains as vibrant and influential as ever. His groundbreaking theories, from the photoelectric effect that underpins quantum theory to the theory of relativity, continue to shape our understanding of the universe. These pillars of modern physics didn't just challenge the status quo, they utterly transformed it. Einstein's iconic equation E=mc² remains one of the most recognizable symbols of scientific innovation, encapsulating the profound relationship between energy, mass, and the speed of light. But Einstein's legacy isn't confined to science. His advocacy for peace, civil rights, and social justice continues to inspire, reminding us that intellectual brilliance and compassionate humanity can indeed coexist. As we marvel at the wonders of the universe and modern technology, we remember Albert Einstein, the luminary of the 20th century, whose name became synonymous with genius.